shame. You found my heart and called my name. Nailed my sin upon that tree. Now your love has set me free. The sky went dark, the veil was torn, hope was born that Easter morn. From death to life you rose again. Now I will never be the same. And when I'm standing in the fire, your grace pulls me higher. Every chain begins to fall, 'cause your love conquered all. You lift me up high. You lift me up high. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high. You lift me up high. You lift me up high. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high. You took my pain, turned it into praise. Your mercy shining through the haze. When I stumble, when I fall, your grace still carries it all. Every breath I take is yours. My heart belongs forevermore. You reached down when I had no light. Now I'm soaring through the night. And when I'm standing in the fire, your grace pulls me higher. Every tear begins to fade when I call on your name. When I call on your name, you lift me up high. You lift me up high. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high. From the cross to the sky, you raised me to new life. Your blood washed it all away. Now I stand in endless grace. From the ashes I will rise, with your love that never dies. Forever I will testify. You lift me up, you lift me high. You lift me up high. You lift me up high. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high. You lift me up high. You lift me up high. God, you lift me up. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high. 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 Lord, you lift me up high. You lift me up high. You lift me up high. 'Cause of your sacrifice, Lord, you lift me up high.